This video mainly talks about the different types of connectors of hoses. Different regions use different types of connectors. So let us have a preliminary understanding of them before decision. This is metal quick connector. There are two material options, aluminum alloy and brass. Press the connector head to connect the water gun and the connector together. Then check if the connection is tight and secure. This is plastic quick connector. Same connection method as metal quick connector. This is metal threaded connector. Male and female threads on both sides. Male threaded connector for water gun connection. If the water gun has a nipple, it cannot be connected to this connector. So we will directly use the water gun without a nipple. Then connect the water gun and the water pipe together. Female threaded connector for faucet connection. The faucet in the video needs to remove the head. Then connect them together. This completes the hose connection. In the next video we will continue to show other types of connectors.